Do you feel like you're always working, but never getting anywhere? Do you sometimes feel like you're just spinning your wheels? If so, then you may be struggling with toxic productivity. Toxic productivity is a common problem in today's workplace. It can cause burnout, stress, and low morale. In this video, we'll discuss what toxic productivity is and 5 ways to overcome it. Welcome to Epic State, your home for money, mindset, and motivation. So, toxic productivity is the belief that we should be working all of the time, even when we're not at work. It's the feeling that we're never doing enough, and that we should always be striving for more. Toxic productivity is driven by the fear of failure and the need for approval. It's the idea that if we're not constantly moving forward, then we're falling behind. And it's causing burnout among workers and entrepreneurs of all ages. The simple fact is we are not machines. We need to rest our minds. Getting out of this overworking, underperforming hamster wheel is possible, but it takes a mind shift and a change in belief. Here are 5 ways to break the cycle. Number 1, focus on what's important, not just what's urgent. It's easy to get caught up in the things that are right in front of us, but we need to step back and assess the big picture. What are our long-term goals? And what will help us achieve those goals? Once we have a clear understanding of what's important, we can start to prioritize our time and energy accordingly. Yes, there will always be urgent tasks that need our attention. But if we learn to focus on what's important, we can eliminate or delegate tasks accordingly. Number 2, practice professional detachment. This means setting boundaries between your work life and your personal life. It may mean turning off your work email after hours, or taking a few minutes each day to step away from your desk and clear your mind. By creating a healthy separation between your work and home life, you can help prevent burnout and maintain a sustainable level of productivity. Do you really need to check emails when out for dinner with your friends? I think if most of us are honest with ourselves, we realize the answer is no. Number 3, scheduling time to do nothing. If your calendar rules your life, then make it work for you. Schedule time in your day to do nothing. That's right, nothing. No work, no errands, no checking your phone or responding to emails. Just sit in silence, letting your mind wander where it will. This may sound like a waste of time, but studies have shown scheduling periods of idleness can actually increase creativity and focus. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list, remember, sometimes the best way to be productive is to do nothing at all. Number 4, set realistic goals. If you want to overcome toxic productivity, then you need to set realistic goals. If your goal is to write a novel in a month, you're setting yourself up for failure. Not only is it highly unlikely that you'll succeed, but even if you do somehow manage to write a novel in a month, it will most likely be low-quality garbage. It's important to remember that quality is more important than quantity. A few well-written chapters are worth more than 100 pages of filler. Toxic productivity also often stems from perfectionism. We tell ourselves that we can't start or stop working on a project until it's perfect. But this is never going to happen. There is no such thing as a perfect project. There are only projects that are good enough to be put out into the world. So when I say quality over quantity, I don't mean perfect quality. This just leads to needless wheel spinning. Aim for good quality progress. Number 5, deal with your underlying feelings. The final step to overcoming toxic productivity is to identify the emotions that are driving it. Are you feeling anxious, stressed, angry, or unworthy? Once you've pinpointed the emotions, you can start to work on addressing them. For example, if you're feeling anxious, you might try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. If you're feeling angry, you might need to explore that anger through journaling, setting time for fitness, or talking to a therapist. The goal is to get to the root of your feelings so that you can gain tools to overcome them. Only then will you be able to break the cycle of toxic productivity. With that said, we've come to the end of today's video. If you found value in it, then please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more money, mindset, and motivation. Until next time.